Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jupriyadi. In this lovely occasion, I would like to thank you for the time given to me to present my paper with the title The Impact of Interest Flooding Attack (IFA) and Collusive IFA on Named Data Networking or NDN. This is my presentation consists of the following part. First is introduction, the second is method, the third is result and discussion, and the last is conclusion and future work. Okay, first introduction. Named data networking or NDN is a future internet technology that changes the communication paradigm from address-based to name-based communication. Data request by client or consumer to server or producer are carried out by sending a request packet without knowing where the request data is located. Currently, NDN has reached the testbed level, which run on TCP/IP. What is the difference between TCP/IP and NDN? The following is TCP/IP communication model. The producer will serve all requests from consumer. Likewise, when there is the same request, it will also be served by producer. Different with NDN, this is the different from the NDN communication model, where the server will serve the first data request. The data requested by the consumer will be stored temporarily on each router, so that when there is a similar request, the request will be served by the nearest router. Data will be taken from the nearest router. On NDN, attacks that can disrupt the network's performance is still possible. One is a denial of service or DOS attack, known as an interest flooding attack or IFA. The attack is carried out by sending a large number of request packets. This attack carried out by sending of the large number of request packets. There are three IFA attacks model. First is sending request for data available on the network or valid request. The second is attacks by sending data request unavailable on the network or invalid request, and the last is hybrid request, both of valid and invalid requests. IFA attacks have developed into collusive IFA or JIFA, like IFA attack. JIFA attack add fake producer to be accessed, so that the requests are not directly to legitimate producer, but directly to fake producer. This is intended to avoid existing detection system. This research focus on exploring the impact of IFA attacks. These impact are compared to determine the extent of the attack influence on network performance. Exploration was carried out using the NDN simulator or NDN sim on the Linux operating system. Attack simulation are carried out locally and remotely. Locally or local attack are attack carried out by an attacker where the attacker is on the same gateway of as the consumer. Meanwhile, a remote attack is an attack carried out by an attacker where the attacker has a different gateway from the consumer. This is applies to IVA and CIVA attack. The result taken from the simulation are consumer out interest and consumer out satisfied interest. Out interest is the number of consumer requests, while out satisfied interest is the number of requests. Out satisfied interest is the number of requests served. Then the interest satisfied ratio value is calculated, or ISR, to measure how much influence or impact the IVA attack has on network performance. The smaller the ISR value, the worse of the impact. The following table shows the parameter setting in NDN-SIM for the simulation. The following is a simulation topology model for local IVA attack and remote attacks. In the topology, there are no fake producer. Different with CIVA attack. The following is the topology of the simulation model for local CIVA, for CIVA attack, local collusive IVA attack, and remote attack. In the topology, there is one fake producer. This is the result, simulation result of remote IVA attack. The following is a comparison of the value of out interest by out satisfied interest. It can be seen the IVA attack model by sending request packets that are not available on the network has the worst impact. This can be seen from the smallest value of out satisfied interest, meaning that only a few requests can be served. Different from local IVA attacks, local IVA attack have a very negative impact on network performance. Based on the graph, it can be seen that less than 50% of request packet are served. Only a few request packet can be served. The following are the simulation result of remote CIVA attacks. Remote CIVA attacks do not have a negative impact on network performance. Based on the graph, we can see all requests sent by consumer can be served well by producer. Different from local CIVA attack. Local CIVA attack have a very negative impact on network performance. Based on the graph, it can be seen that less than 50% of request packet are served. Only a few requests packet can be served. Finally, we calculate the ISR value. The ISR value is one of the metric used to measure NDN network performance. The more excellent the ISR value, the better the network performance. Conversely, the smaller the ISR value, the worse the network performance. Based on the graph, it can be seen that the attack model that has the most negative impact on the network is the local CIVA attack model, followed by the local hybrid IVA. Meanwhile, attacks that have a small effect on network performance are the CIVA remote attacks model, followed by the IVA remote attack. And the last, conclusion and future work. Interest flooding attack on name data networking is one of the denial of service attack that can disrupt network performance. And then the attack is quite dangerous and cause unserved content requests on the network. The attack can be done through local and remote attack. Local attack have a more dangerous impact than remote attacks. Attacks by sending content non-existing in the network also negatively affect network performance. It can be seen from the low interest satisfied ratio value, which describe the number of requests sent by request served. In the future work, it will be studied related to how to detect and mitigate existing attack. Thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.